Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will cover grammatical topic, that is phrase and clause, and further we will see the types of phrase and clause. A phrase is a group of words that express a concept and is used as a unit within a sentence. Common types of phrases are noun phrase, verb phrase, gerund phrase, infinitive phrase, participle, prepositional phrase. Noun phrase consists of a noun and all its modifiers. The lost puppy was a wet and stinky dog. It was a story as old as time. The bold letters or words shows noun phrases. Verb phrases. A verb phrase consists of a verb and all its modifiers, and examples are: he was waiting for the rain to stop. She was upset when it did not boil. Gerund is the form of verb with ing, and a gerund phrase is simply a noun phrase that starts with a gerund. And the examples are: taking my dog for a walk is fun. Walking in the rain can be difficult. And in this case, gerund is acting as subject of the sentence. Infinitive phrases. An infinitive phrase is a noun phrase that begins with an infinitive verb, and infinitive is always a word that starts with to, or a verb that starts with to. For example, I tried to see the stage, but I was too short. Participle phrases. A participle phrase begins with a past or present participle, or third form of the verb. Washed with my clothes. My cell phone no longer worked. Then a clause. A clause is a group of words that contains a verb and usually other components too. A clause may form part of a sentence, or it may be a complete sentence in itself. Phrases cannot give us a complete sense in the sentence. For example, he was eating a bacon sandwich. Noun clauses. A noun clause is a clause that plays the role of a noun. For example, I like what I see. Then adjective clause. An adjective clause is a multi-word adjective that includes a subject and a verb. When we think of an adjective, we usually think about a single word used before a noun to modify its meanings. For example, tall building, smelly cat. However, an adjective can also come in the form of an adjective clause. For example, the carpets that you bought last year have rotted. Then adverbial clauses. An adverbial clause is a group of words that plays the role of an adverb. Like all clauses, an adverbial clause will contain a subject and a verb. An example of adverbial clause is keeping hitting the gong until I tell you to stop. Thank you.